Hello and welcome back to the channel. Super glad to have you here. Today's video is going to be all about homemade cleaners that are super simple to make, super effective, and they'll help you to make the switch to homemade natural cleaners, and it will help you to avoid the nasty chemicals, the nasty toxins that are inside the conventional cleaners that we usually rely on when cleaning in and around the home. So we're going to start off by giving you the method and the ingredients for an all-purpose cleaner, a drain cleaner, and a toilet bowl cleaner, and then we'll continue off talking about the importance of these cleaners and how effective they are. And one thing that I wanted to point out before I get to the recipe and the method is that these recipes that we have in this video is just basic recipes. You might want to top off with your own essential oils, for example, which will give the recipe a boost. It will make the recipe even much more powerful because it will contain the power of the essential oils that you choose to incorporate with them, that are anti-inflammatory, that are antiviral, that are antiseptic, that will help to remove grease. Essential oils such as lavender essential oil, tea tree, eucalyptus, cinnamon essential oil. These all are essential oils that contain the active components that allow you to make sure you use their benefits in your cleaning methods and in your cleaning DIY treatments. So we are starting off with an all-purpose cleaner, and keep in mind that you can alternate the recipe and make sure to mix in whatever essential oil you see necessary, that you like the aroma of and that you want to enjoy the benefits of. For example, they're anti-grease and they're antibacterial. So the first recipe for today is an all-purpose cleaner, and this is a effective recipe that can be used stored in a spray bottle. So all you would need to do to get started is we need 1 liter of warm water, and we want to top that with 4 tablespoons of bicarb soda. Mix it up, introduce any essential oils, about 10 to 15 drops minimum of the essential oil of your choice, and then shake it up, put it into a spray bottle, preferably a glass spray bottle, an amber colored spray bottle if you want to top it off even more, because it will allow the recipe to stay for longer and it will allow the essential oil to keep its benefit for longer. So it wouldn't deteriorate if it wasn't an amber bottle. But this doesn't have to be an amber colored bottle. This is just to keep the recipe for longer, much more effective. So we are going to do this for an all-purpose cleaner, and my favorite essential oil of choice for an all-purpose cleaner is tea tree oil. It's absolutely amazing, and the aroma and the antibacterial benefits is a must in this all-purpose cleaner. Another cleaner that is important that I widely use to clean the drain in the sink is I pour half a cup of bicarb soda down the drain, and then I add half a cup of white vinegar. I wait for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then I flush down the drain with a full cup of boiling water. This is a must because it will really help to eliminate all the toxins and all the yuckiness from the drain using the power of vinegar, white vinegar, bicarb soda, and the boiling water towards the end after waiting 5 to 10 minutes. So this drain cleaner recipe doesn't really need essential oils. I wouldn't waste any essential oils on that because just the power of the white vinegar and the bicarb soda is absolutely amazing. Our last recipe for today, because I want to keep it short and simple, is a toilet bowl cleaner. So to make this recipe, you need to make a paste using lemon juice and borax. Borax is usually available in the hardware shops. And you need to apply that paste, of course, wearing gloves and wearing the protective gear that you need. You need to apply the paste to the toilet bowl, leave it on for 2 hours, and then scrub and clean and rinse. It will be amazing, and it will be all natural and will really help you in making sure that the toilet is all clean and eliminating the toxins that you usually find in the toilet cleaners at the shops. So in the next video, we'll be talking how to do a oven cleaner, a window and mirror cleaner, and also a natural air freshener. So stay tuned for next video. If you enjoyed today's content, like, share, and subscribe. We would love to have you on board, and all the recipes for today will be in the description box below. And for any questions regarding bicarb soda, I usually get a large quantity of bicarb soda that I use from anything to do with cleaning to with food to everything else. I usually get about 1 or 2 kilos worth of bicarb soda from Amazon. We've come towards the end of our video today. If you enjoyed today's content, like, share and subscribe. Would love to have you on board. Take care and have a great day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.